Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 300 MCQs of American literature. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 90 up to part 50 up to part 5. These are very important and यूज़फुल क्वेश्चन फॉर कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम. तो यदि आप भी इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन सीखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए. दिस इज़ पार्ट 6 क्वेश्चन नंबर 91. अ मास्क ऑफ रीज़न बाय रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट इज ए और एन. ऑप्शन ए क्रिटिकल ऐसे, ऑप्शन बी वर्स ड्रामा, ऑप्शन सी बैलेड एंड ऑप्शन डी epic. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option B, verse drama. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 92. The Rhode Island Almanac is a work of. The Rhode Island Almanac is a work of. Option A, William Faulkner. Option B, Robert Frost. Option C, James Franklin. And option D, Walt Whitman. So the correct answer is option C, James Franklin. James Franklin is the correct answer. Now question number 93. Robert Frost was awarded the Pulitzer Prize. Option A only once, option B twice, option C thrice, and option D 4 times. So Robert Frost was awarded the Pulitzer Prize maximum 4 times. 4 times. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 94. Who was invited by President John F. Kennedy to recite his patriotic poem The Gift outright at the inaugural ceremony? So option A, E. Cummings, option B, Robert Frost, option C, Theodore Dreiser, and option D, Thelma Howard. So the correct answer is option B, Robert Frost. Option B, Robert Frost is the correct answer. Now question number 95. Who wrote the famous poem Virtues and Mending Wall? Option A, Walt Whitman. Option B, T.S. Eliot. Option C, Emily Dickinson. And option D, Robert Frost. So option D, Robert Frost is the correct answer. Now question number 96. Robert Frost's first volume of poem was published in 1913 by an English publisher. Identify it. Option A, Mask of Mercy. Option B, North of Boston. Option C, A Boy's Will. And option D, Mountain Interval. So the correct answer is A Boy's Will, यानी कि option C is the correct answer. Now question number 97. Which of the following poem is not composed by Robert Frost? Option A, The Brain is Brighter Than the Sky. Option B, The Death of Hired Man. Option C, The Tuft of Flowers. And option D, Best Running Brook. So option A, The Brain is Brighter Than the Sky. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 98. Question number 98 है Allen Ginsberg was conferred a National Book Award in 1973 for. Option A, The Fall of America. Option B, Reality Sandwiches. Option C, Planner News. And option D, The Gates of Wrath. So the correct answer is Fall of America. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 99. Which of the following is not work of Allen Ginsberg? Option A, Anchor Ball. Option B, First Blues. Option C, Mind Breathe. And option D, Judith. So Judith is the correct answer. Now question number 100. Plutonian Ode 1981 was written by Plutonian Ode 1981 was written by option A, Robert Frost, option B, Allen Ginsberg, option C, Hart Crane, and option D, Conrad Aiken. Conrad Aiken. The correct answer is option B, Allen Ginsberg. Now question number 101. Who wrote the famous novel Besant 1873 and Garh 1877? Option A, Thomas James Farrell. Option B, Nathaniel Hawthorne. Option C, Julian Hawthorne. And option D, Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin. So option D, Julian Hawthorne is the correct answer. Now question number 102. Which novel of Julian Hawthorne is concerned with an Indian curse on a New England family living in Jamaica? Option A, Fool of Nature. Option B, Garh. Option C, Saves That Pass. And option D, The Memoirs of the Indian Hawthorne. So the correct answer is option B, Garh is the correct answer. These are very important and useful questions. So listen this question again and again. Now question number 103. Question number 103. The Scarlet Letters. The Scarlet Letters, the House of Seven Gables. The House of Seven Gables 1851 and the Marble Faun 1880 are the famous novels of option A, Nathaniel Hawthorne, option B, Joseph Heller, option C, Henry James, and option D, Stephen Crane. So the correct answer is Nathaniel Hawthorne. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 104. In 1884, Nathaniel Hawthorne produced a history book for children under the caption option A, Grandfather's Chair, option B, Wakefield, option C, Moses from an Old Mouse, and option D, The Token. So the correct answer is option A, Grandfather's Chair. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 105. Question number 105. Yes, question number 105. Question number 100. Which novel of Joseph Heller became very popular during the Vietnam War on account of its being a satire on military illogicality and glorification? Option A, Clevenger's Trial. Option B, Something Happened. Option D, Good as Gold. And option D, Catch 22. So which option is the correct answer? The correct answer is Catch 22. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 106. Ernest Hemingway was a great influenced by Ezra Pound and option A, Henry James, option B, T.S. Eliot, option C, Gertrude Stein, and option D, Thomas James Farrell. So the correct answer of this question is option C, Gertrude Stein is the correct answer. Now question number 107. Which American novelist committed a suicide by gunshot in 1961? Which American novelist committed a suicide by gunshot in 1961? Gunshot यानी गोली के द्वारा, बंदूक के द्वारा किसने अपनी आत्महत्या की थी? ऑप्शन ए पॉल ब्लैकबर्न, ऑप्शन बी इरविंग बैबेट, ऑप्शन सी थियोडोर ड्रेसियर एंड ऑप्शन डी अर्नेस्ट हेमिंगवे। अर्नेस्ट हेमिंगवे। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज अर्नेस्ट हेमिंगवे. ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 108. Question number 108. The Old Man and the Sea recounts the 84 days adventure of option A Matadors, option B Santiago, option C the author, and option D Philip. So Santiago, option B is the correct answer. Now question number 109. Which of the following novel Question number 109. Which of the following novel of Hemingway describe the incident in the Spanish Civil War? Option A for whom the bell tolls, option B to have and have not, option C the sun also rises, and option D the torrents of spring. The torrents of spring option. So the correct answer is option A for whom the bell tolls. Option is the correct answer. Now question number 110. Which of the following books of Ernest Hemingway has an account of bullfighting? Option A Green Hills of Africa, option B the Wild Years, option C the Winner Take Nothing, and option D Death in the Afternoon. So option D is the correct answer. Now dear friends, this is second last question of this video. यदि आपको इस प्रकार के वीडियो पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए. यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि आपको न्यू वीडियो इसके नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त हो सकें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 111. इट इज़ poignant love story of an English nurse and an American ambulance lieutenant during the war. Which novel of Hemingway is referred to here? यहाँ पे किस नावल की बात हो रही है? ऑप्शन ए मैन विदाउट वुमेन, ऑप्शन बी फॉर होम द बेल टॉल्स, ऑप्शन सी अ फेयरवेल टू आर्म्स, एंड ऑप्शन डी द ओल्ड मैन एंड द सी. So answer C. Option C a farewell to arms. Option C is the correct answer. Now this is the last question. When did Ernest Hemingway get the Nobel Prize for Literature? Option A 1954, option B 1953, option C 1952, and option D 1949. So the correct answer is 1954. Option A is the correct answer. I hope कि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए होंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.